latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you are watching News 9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about a research paper which claims to have found a drug which can be used to treat COVID-19 patients. Now, to keep in mind, these are only observations, and this particular drug in question has not been put to use to treat COVID-19 patients, nor is it a vaccine. So the drug that we are going to be talking about is fenofibrate tricor, which is used to lower cholesterol levels in people. And this drug has shown positive results in decreasing the virus load during lab tests. So the research was led by Hebrew University of Jerusalem and a bunch of researchers and scientists there. So how did these researchers and scientists come to use this cholesterol lowering drug to treat COVID-19? So first, these researchers were focusing on the ways in which the SARS coronavirus 2, the virus which causes COVID-19 disease, changed the patient's lungs in order to reproduce itself. What they found is that the virus prevents the routine burning of carbohydrate, which results in the accumulation of fat in lung cells. So these lung cells provide a better ground for SARS coronavirus 2 to reproduce itself. So they say that this finding could explain why COVID-19 is deadlier among patients with high blood sugar and cholesterol levels. They also explained that the virus is basically a parasite which lacks the ability to multiply by itself, and that it needs human cells to multiply. So this is what one of the lead researchers had to say.
By understanding how the SARS-CoV-2 controls our metabolism, we can wrestle back control from the virus and deprive it from the very resources it needs to survive.
So how was the research conducted? After the Hebrew University researchers observed how the virus transforms a patient's body and their lungs, they put to use a few FDA-approved medications that would interfere with the virus's functions and its multiplication. Among all of these drugs, they found out that fenofibrate tricor was the most effective one, which essentially burned the fat cells, depriving the COVID-19 virus of a ground to reproduce. The researchers say that they need to still find more ways of blocking the virus's abilities than trying to neutralize it. Moreover, the researchers, while conducting these trials, also found out that within 5 days, the virus disappeared. So these are some of the observations made in the research paper. However, the side effects of this drug include headache, back pain, nausea, indigestion, stuffy or runny nose, and there are several more. And that's why experts also caution against the use of this drug. This drug, just like any other drug, should not be taken without a medical physician's advice or recommendation. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below of what you think of the various COVID-19 treatments available. Also like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital.